गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Hello everyone, my name is A. Mokshini Yadav. I studied in class 10th in Kendriya Vidyalaya Gachibowli, Hyderabad. So now I am going to speak about one of my favorite teachers who is none other than Sri Kumaraswamy sir. Firstly, before I speak about him, I would like to talk about the subject that he taught us, that is mathematics. Generally, many students don't like or hate mathematics, and there are various reasons for their hatred towards this subject. And the same was the case with our class too. But since Kumar sir started teaching in our class, many students showed and took interest into this subject. If someone asks me to describe about Kumar sir, there are so many adjectives that can be used to describe him and his personality. Some of them are awesome, caring, friendly, motivating, inspiring, encouraging, energetic, flexible, humble, open, patient, etc. He made maths easy and simple and also interesting by explaining the concepts using daily life situations as examples and made us understand the concepts more clearly. He also gave us shortcuts to solve the problems as well as improve our calculation speed. He always worked out the problems on the board step by step. That made it easier to learn and understand the problem within the class itself. He gave us so many practice questions from every chapter that made us understand what concept to be used in a given question. He clarified each and every doubt of all the students, whether it be an easy one or a difficult one. He even clarified doubts in science too, especially physics. He conducted classes even during the vacations and the weekends to clarify our doubts, to revise the chapters, and even to conduct tests and full sample paper tests for the upcoming board exams. He made us revise the chapters every chapter 2 to 3 times. That strengthened our confidence levels. He even took so many class tests and nearly 10 full sample paper tests for standard and basic mathematics, which improved our time management skills and also helped us to get rid of the exam fear. It also gave us a broader view of the type of questions that were to be asked in the upcoming board exams. As we all know, a picture speaks more than the letters. And also, a picture along with graphics has more impact than the calculations made over the board. Similarly, our sir taught us certain chapters like triangles and circles that consists of theorems and proofs, and even constructions chapter using presentations and visualizers, which proved to be of great help. Our sir made these theorems and their respective proofs simple and easy to understand using visualizer and presentations. He also organized a mathematics exhibition for his 10th class students and encouraged every student to take part in it along with their projects and models that were based on the mathematical concepts. This was a great initiative from his end that made us understand the practical features or aspects of these theorems, concepts and principles more deeply. He also maintains a blog that consists of sample papers for maths and science for students of classes 6th to 10th. Minimum level material for standard and basic mathematics is also available on his website. Now, what is minimum level material? It's just a question bank that contains key points and formulas of every chapter along with the questions including MCQs. He has also uploaded sample papers for standard and basic mathematics along with the key solutions. And question banks for every class are also available on his website. You can check them all on his website, that is www.kumarsir34.wordpress.com. His diligence is not only appreciated or respected and followed by us, but also by the students and teachers of other schools and several other countries too. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, and the great teacher inspires. I personally feel that Kumar sir is one of the great teachers and has inspired me a lot. All his classes were fun-filled and enthusiastic. He has positively affected our attitude towards maths. He has put so much efforts and has helped students to improve their maths skills. All the above aspects of Sri Kumaraswamy sir make him the most favored teacher of our school. And I take pride in giving this testimony for his hard work, commitment and passion to make his students better citizens, better scholars and molding his students towards a healthy future. Thank you.